Hello student, today we will complete our lesson number 1, building with bricks, and our last topic for today is word problem. So here's the first question. If 200 brick cost rupees 1600, how much would 500 brick cost? Here point is that 200 brick cost is given, which is 1600, and we have to find out 500 brick cost. So how can we do it? First we have to find out one brick cost, then we can find out 500. So first we will write statement and then 200 brick cost is rupees 1600. Now our next step to find out one brick cost. So one brick cost, how much? So 1600 divided by 200. Now this sum we will write it as 1600 by 200. In this way we can find out one brick cost. And now our next step is to find out 500 brick cost. It will be multiplied by 500. So 500 brick cost will be 1600 divided by 200 and multiplied by 500. Now here 20 and 20. This 20 will be cut from this 20 and here's 2 and this is 16. Now we have to divide. Now we have to take table of 2. In table of 2, 2 will come one time. So cut it and write here 1. And 16 will come 8 times. So cut here and write here 8. Now this is remain number and this is 500. 8 multiplied by 500. Now take the table of 8. 8 5s are 40. So 40 and this 20 will be here. Answer is rupees 4000. So the answer is, question is, how much would 500 brick cost? Rupees 4000 is cost of 500 bricks. Now next question. A circular structure is built using 100 bricks for 1 meter height. 1 meter height for 150 bricks. So remember this thing. Now question is, how many bricks will be required if the structure is 4 meter long? The question is that in 4 meter long, how many bricks will be required? So we will write as a statement, then start. The first line will be 1 meter height, 150 bricks. For 1 meter height, how many bricks we need? 150. So question is that 4 meter we have to make, and how many bricks will we need? 4 meter height, how many bricks? So in this question we have to do multiplication, because here we have the question, one value of 1 meter is given and value of more than 1 is asking. So we have to do multiplication here. So 150 bricks multiplied by 4 meter. So 150 multiplied by 4. Now do the multiplication. 0 multiplied by 4, 0. 5 multiplied by 4, 20 it. So 0 and 2 will be carry forward. Now 4 ones are 4 and 4 plus 2, 6. 600. So answer is 600 bricks. Now what is the question? How many bricks will be required if the structure is 4 meter long? So we will write answer 600 bricks will be required. Next question, third number. Hemant spent rupees 8,000 to buy tiles for his room. If the cost of 100 tiles is rupees 4,000, find the number of tiles Hemant bought. Here, rupees 8,000 he spent, and the second information, 100 tiles is rupees 4,000. So 4,000 is rupees for 100 tiles. So first, we have to find out one tile cost. So first line will be 100 tiles cost rupees 4,000. So one tile cost how much? Rupees 4,000 divided by 100. Here is 20 and here is 30. So this one will be cut from this 0 and this 0 will be cut from this 0. So answer will be rupees 40. So here the next line will be rupees 40 for one tile. One tile. So how much he spent? Rupees 8,000. So rupees 8,000 for how much tiles? So what should we do here? We have to do division. Rupees 8,000 divided by 40. Now see, here is only 1 0 and here is 3 0. So 1 0 will be cut from this one. Now here is 4 and here is 8. In 4 table, 4 will come one time and 8 will come two times. So 4 will be cut by 1 and 8 will be cut by 2. That means 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now 2 0 is here. So answer will be 200. Now see the question. Find the number of tiles Hemant bought. So answer will be Hemant bought how many tiles? 200 tiles. Here's the next question, question number 3rd. Hemant spent rupees 8,000 to buy tiles for his room. If the cost of 100 tiles is rupees 4,000, find the number of tiles Hemant bought. So here's the information is rupees 8,000 he spent, and the second information 100 tiles is rupees 4,000. So first of all, 100 tile cost rupees 4,000. So we have to find out here one tile cost. One tile cost how much? Rupees 4,000 divided by 100. This one. Now this 0 will be cut from this 0 and this 0 will be cut from this one. So rupees 40 is the answer. Rupees 40 for one tile. Rupees 40 for one tile. So how much he spent? Rupees 8,000. So rupees 8,000 for how much tiles? So we have to division here. Rupees 8,000 divided by rupees 40. And this 0 will be cut from this 0 and here is 4 and here is 800. Now take the table of 4. 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8 and 2 0 will be here. So answer is 200 tiles. So what is the question here? Find the numbers of tiles Hemant bought. Answer is Hemant bought 200 tiles. Here's the next question. Question number 4. There are two types of bricks. Here in the question, two types of bricks is given. Type 1 cost rupees 8,000. So, type 1 cost rupees 8,000 and 4,000 bricks. 4,000 bricks cost rupees 8,000. Then, type 2. Type 2 cost rupees 500 for 100 bricks. So here, other information, 100 bricks for rupees 500. Rama purchased 1,500 type 1 bricks and 2,000 type 2 bricks. How much does she pay altogether? So we have to go step by step. First of all, we have to find out type 1 cost, and then we have to find out type 2 cost bricks. So, type 1 brick. First of all, see, type 1 bricks, 8,000 rupees for 1,000 bricks. 1,000 brick cost rupees 8,000. So, 1 brick cost will be rupees 8,000 divided by 1,000. Then, how much bricks she purchased? Type 1 bricks she purchased 1,500. So we have to find out the cost of 1,500 bricks. In the next line, cost of 1,500 bricks. So rupees 8,000 divided by 1,000 multiplied by 1,500. Here is 30, here is 30. Then this 0 will be cut from this 0 again will be cut, and this 0. Now, here is 8 is remained, and here is 1,500. So 8 multiplied by 1,500. Now see, 8 multiplied by 15. Take the table of 15. 15 8s are 120. So 120 and this 20 will be put here. 12,000. Answer is 12,000 rupees. Now, the next turn. Type 2 bricks. Now, see again the question. Type 2 cost rupees 500 for 100 bricks. So, 100 brick cost rupees 500. So 1 brick cost rupees 500 divided by 100. And how many bricks he purchased? Here 2,000 type 2 bricks. So 500 divided by 100 multiplied by 2,000. Now see, here 20, here 20. This 20 will be cut from each other. Now here is 5 and 2,000. So 5 multiplied by 2,000. 5 2s are 10. And 30 will be here. So answer is rupees 10,000. Now, the next step, to find out the total cost of type 1 bricks and type 2 bricks. So first of all, type 1 brick cost is 12,000. And 10,000 is brick cost. So find the total amount. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, and this 0 plus 0, 0. Now 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 1, 2. So total amount is 22,000. Now what is the question? How much does she pay altogether? So answer is rupees 22,000. So we will write Rama pays rupees 22,000.